Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a customer list in the meta ads and how you can use that in a campaign to target the people. So this is a demo file that we have just download from the meta ads, and this contains some mails and the phone number, different type of phone numbers as well as the zip codes and the city and the states. Okay, so after that it will also include some extra details, and if you have just a list with a phone number and with the first name, that is also fine. You can use that list as well to target the people in the meta ads. So let us start with the video how you can use that sheet and how you can upload it on the meta and to target the people. So first of all you have to do is just open the ad manager. So this is the ad manager dashboard, and from here you have to go to the left hand section, and from here you have to select this section that's called audience. So this video will be divided into two parts. In the first sections, I will show you how you can upload it, and in the second sections, I will show you how you can use that how you can use that customer list audience into a campaign to target the people actually. So this is gonna be like something amazing. So from here you will see these three things options, and from here we have to select this one. That's the first one, create a customer audience. From here, you will see multiple options, and from this multiple option, you have to select this one on the right hand side that's called customer list, and select this one. Just click on this next button. From here, it will show you some options that how you can use a customer list data, and you can see some examples here that's contain some of the the country and the zip codes, and how you can format that. And okay, so this also include a file template. If you don't know how you can just how you can put it in a format, you can just download a template, and this is a template that it will give you, and you can that use that template into the uploading here. But if you have just a phone number and the name sheet, just a two column, and you want to upload that, it will also work. So what we're gonna do is from here, just click on the next button, and now we have to upload a file here that's called like a CSV or TXT file. So let's just upload it here, and just click on the click access, and this is a file. Just click on the open. Okay, our file is uploaded. Now our file does not contain any the customer value. Okay, just click on this the tick, and click on the next button. From here, if you just click on the map thing, and let's see how many things it has just mapped. So it will find the email address, like the three column with the email address, and the three column with the phone number, and some mobile advertisement ID, first name, surname, zip code, city. Okay, it's working very well because our sheet as well contain the three mails and the three phone numbers and some zip codes and the country and the city as well. From here, we have to just click on this import and the create section, and we have to wait for some seconds till it's upload, and it just uploaded 100%, and you can see that this contain the 9 row uploaded. Okay, as you can see from here, this is a main row, and after that it contain a 9 row with the data, and it's uploaded all of them successfully. From here we have to just click on this done button, and we are done. So this is our custom audience that you can say as the customer list audience, and this is the first part, and we have done with it successfully, and we have just created this audience. And let's begin with the second half, how you can use this audience into a campaign properly. So we're going to create a lead gen campaign, and we're going to target these audience into that campaign. So this is a dashboard of our ad manager, and from here let's create a campaign. Let's hold for a second. Okay, now from here we have to click here on this create button. Let us create a simple campaign quickly. Now let's click on this lead because we are creating a lead campaign. Now just click on this continue. and it's automatically fetch some of the budget, and we are not going touching any of these settings because we just want to like setting up the audience for now. We're gonna test if our audience is setting up, and we can actually use that audience or not. So this is our ad set level. We have to like go here, and from here we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down we just have to scroll down a little bit more. Let's see if we get the settings or not. Okay. Okay, from here you can see this option that's called suggest an audience, and this is the custom audience section, and you will find this audience segment that we have this uploaded, that's called custom audience, and it's contain the same name that we have this uploaded. And you can also see in this availability that is for now it's named as a populating, because we have this uploaded and it is calculating the members like we had just uploaded the details. Okay, now if we just click on this, you can see it's on our targeting sections. So this is how you can use that, how you can use that audience into like your campaign to target that people. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.